In this problem, we're going to try to find the integral of the cubed root of x plus 1 between 0 and 1. In this kind of questions, the cube root or the square root is the problem. The best way to solve these problems quickly is to get rid of the square root, the cube root. Okay, one key idea here is that we can start by letting t equals the cube root of x plus 1. We have no problem of the problem of definition because 0, 1 is included in domain of this function. There is no problem here, and this function is continuous, so we have no problem in the bounds in the upper and lower limits. Having said that, we can get the bounds first. The bounds when x is 0, we're gonna have t is gonna be 1. When x is 1, t is gonna be the cubed root of 2. Now let's compute dx. We have dt is x plus 1, 1 over 3, x plus 1 raised to minus 2 over 3 dx. We can bring everything down. We can have x plus 1 raised to the power 2 over 3 dx. And we can write this one as 1 over 3, 1 over x plus 1 cubed root and to the power 2 dx. When we do so, we see that we have t squared here. Therefore, we have this dx is going to be 3t squared dt. That's dx. Okay, let's do that and let's go and compute our value here. So therefore, we have our m. We said that the bounds, they're going to change to 1 and the square root, the cube root of 2. And this is going to give us t times dx. Dx is going to be 3t squared dt. Taking 3 outside, it's constant, and integrating, we have t cubed, t to the power 3 dt, and using the power rules here, we can get 3 over 4 t to the power 4 between 1 and the cubed root of 2. We can evaluate and we get, let's write 2 as 2 to the power 1/3, and after that to the power 4, and when t is 1, we get just 1. Okay, we can simplify this one, or we can keep it like this. Okay, it doesn't matter, but we can bring this 4 here and simplify. But let's keep it like this because we don't want to. The most important thing is the change of variable and the bounds. This is just a numerical computation. Okay, and we can simplify it more. We can write it as 3 over 2. If we get the 4 here, we're gonna have a minus 1 of the powers. We're gonna have 2 to the power 1/3 and minus 3 over 4. It's gonna be the same. There is nothing unless we simplify it. I think this is the further I can do, unless I wanna find the exact value or the approximate value of this one. But anyways, the change of variable here, the bounds and the dx are the most important thing in dealing with this kind of these integrals. And remember that the best option that we have for this kind of square root is to get rid of them by bringing powers, unless you know this one, something simple like the square root of something. But any other method that would help will be great. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again, and have a great day.